There's ice in the air. Yesterday felt like spring. I wore a short-sleeved t-shirt outside. I have to remind myself, the point of this project is not to sit smiling in front of my camera every day, but simply to create something and to allow myself to share it with the world, even if the world doesn't care. Even if it's unpolished and imperfect. It is a skill to admire the work of others without questioning your own. Comparison is the thief of joy. Like pasting a photo of an overcast sky in a scrapbook. Maybe these videos are about capturing my mood.